I'm going to show you how to move files between your virtual machine and your macOS. So this will be both directions, moving from the macOS to the virtual machine and then moving files from the virtual machine to the macOS as well on your Mac Mini or any other Apple device. Firstly, with the VMWare Fusion software, you want to make sure you've got the VMWare Tools installed as well. So if you're unsure how to do that, please watch my previous video. In the top right, I've left it here. And once you have that, then you should be ready to do this. I'm going to start up the virtual machine. We've got this started up here. So just move these files. I've got some test files here to this virtual machine. You just have to essentially select the file that you care about and drag it into the window. So when I do that, you'll see that it appears here. So the file is there now, and this works with documents as well. And I can do the same with a recording. So with a movie, you can see it's now there. I can do it with an image too, and you can see it's there. If I wanted to add it to files instead of the desktop, I could go to my documents and then I could essentially select all 4 of these and I could drag it and keep dragging it until I'm in here rather than on the desktop, and it will all come through on here. So that's how you move from your macOS to the Windows 11 virtual machine. Now to do the opposite, so move these files from the Windows 11 virtual machine to the macOS, it requires a few more steps. So if I try to move it, you'll see it's not letting me take them off the window anymore. So I can't actually do that. It'll just allow me to move it to the desktop that I'd saved from Paint as well. What to do is actually just copy, and then when I've copied those, I can just paste them here. And in this case, I'll keep both, just so that you can see that it does copy everything. And now you see I've got all of those files here now. I can also move files that are created on the virtual machine. I'm going to copy this Paint file that I created earlier. And if I paste that, you'll see now I have the Paint file picture. So that's how you do it.